So guys, first method, click to start, type task manager, open it, full screen, then find out the Windows Explorer. Okay, my god, it is right click and then click to restart. Okay, now it is again start, then close it. Next guys, turn off the site show, so click to start, setting, go to setting, then personalization, and then click to background and select features. Don't select the site show and all. Okay, select only features and select which feature is required and then close it. Then reset personalize cache, so click to start, type run, then open it, remove this, control all, percentage app data, capital A double P, D data, percentage slash Microsoft space Windows themes. Okay, and click to OK. So I enter the wrong percentage. After that, select all and delete. Then restart your system and then please check it.